AI affiliate marketing for beginners. If you've been searching for AI affiliate marketing for beginners because you want to make money online faster, create content more efficiently, and use artificial intelligence to grow an affiliate marketing business, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how AI affiliate marketing for beginners works, how I'm using AI tools to create content faster than ever before, how faceless YouTube channels are changing the game, and how complete beginners can start using AI to build an affiliate marketing business without needing a big audience or years of experience. Now, before we get started, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I post videos every week about affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless YouTube channels, and ways to make money online. Also, check the pinned comment below. I've included 2 resources that can help you get started immediately. The first is my discounted Syllaby link. This is one of the AI tools I use to generate content ideas, create scripts, and speed up content creation. The second is my #1 recommended affiliate offer called Daily Income Method. It pays up to $200 per sale and includes access to over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. Both resources are in the pinned comment below. Now let's jump into it. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI affiliate marketing for beginners is that AI somehow replaces people. That's not true. AI doesn't replace you. AI helps you move faster. Think about it. Years ago, creating content required a lot of manual work. You had to brainstorm ideas, write scripts, research topics, create visuals, edit videos, and publish everything manually. Today, AI can help with almost every step of that process. That's why AI affiliate marketing for beginners has become one of the fastest growing opportunities online. Let's talk about how the process works. The first step is choosing a niche. This is where many beginners make mistakes. They try to promote everything. Crypto one day, weight loss the next, software the next. Instead, focus on one niche. Examples include affiliate marketing, AI tools, make money online, personal finance, productivity, software reviews, technology. The more focused you are, the easier it becomes to create content consistently. Once you've chosen a niche, the next step is finding content ideas. And this is where AI becomes incredibly powerful. One of the tools I use is Syllaby. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering what to create next, Syllaby helps generate content ideas around topics people are already searching for. This saves a tremendous amount of time. If you want to try it yourself, check the discounted link in the pinned comment below. Now, after finding content ideas, the next step is creating scripts. This is another area where AI affiliate marketing for beginners has changed dramatically. Instead of spending hours writing from scratch, AI can help generate outlines, talking points, and first drafts. Now, I always recommend adding your own experience and personality, but AI can help eliminate a lot of the busy work. The next step is content creation. This is where faceless YouTube channels become incredibly interesting. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't need a studio. You don't even need to show your face. Many creators are building faceless YouTube channels using stock footage, screen recordings, AI visuals, voiceovers, and simple editing. This creates a huge opportunity for beginners because now you can focus on delivering value instead of worrying about production quality. Now let's talk about traffic. Traffic is what drives affiliate commissions. Without traffic, there are no clicks. Without clicks, there are no sales. And one of my favorite traffic sources is YouTube. Not because it's social media, because it's a search engine. People actively search for solutions every day. They're searching for AI affiliate marketing for beginners, best AI tools, how to make money online, affiliate marketing tutorials, Syllaby reviews, faceless YouTube channels, and countless other topics. Those searches create opportunities. When someone searches for a solution and your content appears, you're reaching people with intent. That's one of the reasons AI affiliate marketing for beginners works so well. You don't need millions of followers. You need content that solves problems. Now let's talk about monetization, because that's what everyone wants to know. How does AI affiliate marketing for beginners actually make money? The process is simple. Create content, get traffic, recommend products, earn commissions. For example, if someone wants help creating content faster, I might recommend Syllaby. If they purchase through my affiliate link, I earn a commission. If someone wants a business opportunity that pays up to $200 per sale, I might recommend Daily Income Method. Again, both resources are in the pinned comment below. The key is matching the right solution to the right audience. Now, another reason I love AI affiliate marketing for beginners is scalability. AI helps reduce the amount of time required to create content. That means you can create more videos, publish more often, test more ideas, and build assets faster. Every video becomes another opportunity to generate traffic. Every video becomes another opportunity to earn commissions. And over time, those assets compound. One of the biggest mistakes I see beginners make is waiting for everything to be perfect. They spend weeks researching, weeks planning, weeks preparing, but they never publish. The reality is that action beats perfection. The faster you start creating content, the faster you start collecting data. And data is what helps you improve. Quick favor, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the algorithm and helps more people discover these videos. Also, leave a comment below and let me know if you're currently using AI tools in your business. I'd love to know what you're experimenting with. Now let's recap. Choose a niche. Use AI to generate content ideas. Use AI to create scripts. Create faceless content. Upload consistently. Get free traffic. Recommend products that help people. Earn commissions. That's the foundation of AI affiliate marketing for beginners. And it's one of the reasons I'm so excited about where this industry is headed. The tools are improving. The barriers to entry are getting lower. And opportunities are becoming more accessible than ever before. If you'd like to use the same tools I'm using, check out the pinned comment below. You'll find my discounted Syllaby link where you can get started today. You'll also find Daily Income Method, which pays up to $200 per sale and includes over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.